In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the YouTube is not supported on this device message on your TV. This message usually pops up when the YouTube app is outdated or your TV's operating system no longer meets current security requirements. Don't worry, let's walk through a few reliable fixes you can try right now. First, give your TV a full restart. This isn't just turning it off with the remote. Power the TV down, then unplug it from the wall. Wait a full 1 to 2 minutes. That pause lets any residual power drain and clears temporary glitches that a quick shutdown won't touch. After the wait, plug the TV back in and power it on. Open YouTube to see if the message is gone. A proper power cycle often resolves app problems by refreshing the system and network connections behind the scenes. If the message remains, clear the YouTube app's cache and data. On most TVs, go to Settings, then Apps, choose YouTube, and select Clear Cache and Clear Data. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can become corrupted. Clearing data resets the app to its default state, which can resolve deeper conflicts. Just a heads up, clearing data will sign you out of YouTube and reset app preferences. So you will need to sign back in afterward. Once you've cleared both, relaunch YouTube and check again. Next, make sure everything is up to date. Open your TV settings and look for software or system updates. Install any available updates and allow the TV to restart if prompted. System updates often include security improvements that streaming apps require. Then, update the YouTube app itself. On TVs with the Play Store or an App Store, search for YouTube and select Update if you see it. If storage is tight, consider removing unused apps to free space so updates can complete. After updating the system and the app, open YouTube to confirm the error is resolved. If your TV is very old, this message can sometimes reflect broader compatibility limits. But in many cases, these steps will get you back to watching quickly. Thanks for watching.